It's been an invaluable solution for ensuring efficient GST compliance, and it has made a real difference for us. I highly recommend Clear's compliance solutions along with their managed services. Finance transformation is essential in today's rapidly changing environment. As regulations, markets, and technologies evolve, it's crucial to stay ahead of these shifts. Being proactive rather than just reactive means leveraging real-time insights, AI, and predictive analysis to make better use of our data. This approach allows leaders to anticipate changes and make informed decisions rather than just reacting after the fact. By investing in these advancements, we can eliminate doubts and uncertainties. Leaders can ensure that our financial strategies are always aligned with the latest developments. Given the scale of our business, we work with a wide range of stakeholders, including subcontractors and local partners who supply goods and services. Managing invoices, payments, and GST input credits while ensuring compliance can be a real challenge, especially when dealing with so many external partners. Some of the pain points we faced are: a lot of working capital gets blocked due to huge amount of ITC not reconciling with 2B, reconciliation of intercompany transactions, identification and correction of data errors which occurs at user level. We onboarded Clear's managed services along with their GST and Max ITC solution to streamline our compliance process and block payments to vendors who default on compliance. We integrated our ERP, SAP with Clear's solution to automate data flow and implement payment blocking, which was key for us. The implementation was smooth, and Clear's support team was incredibly helpful and cooperative. They guided us through each step. Their tool is easy to use with great UI, and the reconciliation engine helped us maximize our ITC. Features like PAN-level report generation really stand out. We have been using PAN-level GSTR 2A, 2B, PAN-level GSTR 1 and 3B filed reports frequently. The automated data flow and payment blocking have saved our team a lot of time, allowing them to focus on more strategic tasks. The managed services team has been amazing. They've been pivotal in streamlining our compliance practices, correcting our accounting and GST processes, and providing real-time advice on past notices. They've also educated our team on industry best practices by understanding our unique business needs. My advice to other CFOs and finance leaders would be to embrace technology and automation for compliance management sooner rather than later. In today's fast-paced environment, manual processes can no longer keep up with the complexity of regulatory requirements. Implementing a solution like Clear's GST tool not only ensures smoother compliances, but also frees up valuable time and resources that can be better spent on strategic initiatives. Partnering with a reliable team like Clear's managed services can also help ease the transition and ensure that your financial processes are not only compliant but also optimized for efficiency.